cybersecurity dynamics, the integration of the R&D and Air Force becomes essential for effective response to multi-domain threats.
Indian Navy is committed to operate with our sister services. We shall seamlessly integrate to ensure optimum utilization of resources and joint application of combined combat powers.
This collaboration enhances operational efficiency and allows for swift, decisive responses, whether peace or conflict. This focus on jointness echoes the Indian Navy's rich history. Pakistan's naval forces, Operation Trident, saw Indian missile boats penetrate deep into Karachi harbor, sinking enemy vessels and crippling Pakistan's naval capabilities. This decisive victory is celebrated annually as Navy Day.
So based on your performance, you have to prepare for the interview. So based on your performance, if you get selected, then and on the merit and the number of vacancies available, you will get a call. After graduation also you can join. Like BTech, after BTech also various entry options are there.
In which subjects marks will be get?
So for BTech, the minimum criteria is 60%. If you have more than 60% marks, then you will get a call and you will have to give SSB. If you get selected, then
in the fierce competition
in 10th or inter, physics, chemistry, maths and English.
For different branches, different criteria is there. So like for English also, if you have to have more than 60% in 10th and 12th. For different branches, different vacancies will be there, and on the basis of that, different eligibility criteria will be there.
How can we reach the goal? Which type of hard work?
Which type of hard work? Like, if you have passion, if you want to join, then you just prepare for interviews. Be honest, be true to yourself. Prepare basic English, like you go through the SSB interview ka procedure hai. First day what happens, second, like first day you have, they will test your aptitude, they will test your speaking, communication skills, they'll show you a picture. You have gone through this SSB. You look for the SSB procedure on net. Everything is available. First day what will happen, what will they test? Second day what will they test? So there will be psychological test as well as on ground task will be there. Then you will get tested for that. The next day they will conduct an interview, and on the next final day conference will be there. All the officers will be sitting in the conference hall and they will interview for 2-3 minutes.
It is depending on physics, chemistry, optional subjects.
No, there is no, like they will not test your knowledge of subject. SSB interview, they will judge you as a whole, like what aptitude skills kya hai, aapke communication skills kya hai, how are you, suppose we are showing you a picture, how are you perceiving it? You have to write a story on that picture. So if you are positive, in your optimistic person, then you will write a positive story. If you are negative, then you will write a negative story. So the psychological test will make sure that जो उनको चाहिए, the positive personality, they will select for.
नहीं मैडम, आप अगर से अपन ये इंटर में कौन से सब्जेक्ट ज़्यादा मार्क्स आना चाहिए वो
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है।
मैं तो पढ़ा तो इसमें फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री में ज़्यादा मार्क्स आना, इंग्लिश में भी परफेक्ट रहना बोल के।
इंग्लिश में you have to have more than 60%, I think the criteria is. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि physics and mathematics, sir, that depends on the different branch option. जैसे ही वैकेंसी आता है वहाँ पे लिखा होता है eligibility criteria. Like in my case, I applied after graduation.
After graduation.
After graduation. So my criteria is more than 60%. I can apply. But जो they will call all those person only जो उनका ऊपर मतलब list के according they will call. So my percentage was more. So I was called for interview. Then based on your interview performance, they will select. The criteria, but you are asking math and physics. I think 60% is the only criteria. You have to have more than 60%. And if there is different criteria, they will mention in the vacancy.
कौन सी क्लास में है आपका?
I am naval armament inspection officer. Naval armament inspection.
सैलरी क्या रहता है मैडम?
For when you are joining, since you are grade A officer, so the basic pay will be 51,000 basic pay, and the extra privileges what you will
and homegrown equipment.
based on like your year. First I was sub lieutenant, then I got promoted to lieutenant. Then my salary will also increase.
How much?
Indian Navy has made an explicit
That are different.
No, because of he will be impressed.
Yeah.
I am asking.
So right now in hand I am getting around 90,000.
Official cadre आप
Basic, my basic pay is 61,000 right now as a lieutenant.
Okay.
But extra also privileges we are getting. Like there is allowance like MSP, military service personnel. So extra 15,000 will get transport allowance. So different allowances, and if we combine all this, so around
We celebrate the
the minimum if you are getting is 90,000.
At the
accommodation how?
Accommodation they will only provide. Like mess is there. If you are a single bachelor, then you have to stay in mess. So there are different rooms. All the food facilities also there. So we call that area as mess. You have to stay in mess. Once you are married, then you will get home. You apply for a quarter, they will provide you quarter. And you have access to all the sports facilities. The main advantage of defense is you will get opportunities, lots of opportunities. You have all the facilities, infrastructure available. Like where I am staying, all the sports facilities are there, and I can go on ship also, submarine also, which I said. But now I am in NAIU branch, so I don't have to go on ship.
From
My
madam,
branch-
which state?
which
Which state आप from?
I am from Haryana.
Haryana. How many experience madam in how many works? 3 years.
3 years.
Our ships carry
मैडम आपका नाम?
My name is Lakshmi Priya.
to provide
Thank you.
emergency aid.